Suppose you have list of food item and their expiry date. Or for example, you have the list of medical product and their expiry date. And the goal is to create a time dependent dropdown which automatically skip all of the item which are expired. In this example, I will build a time dependent dropdown on food item, but you can use this technique in many other cases as well. The first thing, I will click on C1 and simply type status. And here I will apply a very easy if condition. If open parenthesis, if this date less than today. Now today is 4 April 2025. Hit comma. I will call this expired. Otherwise, I will call them active. Quotation mark, close parenthesis, hit enter and simply double click on this start and it will apply for the entire food items. Now you can see we have expired, we have active. I will click on F1 and simply call this active food items. And here I will apply a very easy filter function. Open parenthesis. I want to filter all of the food items, hit comma, whenever they are active. Close parenthesis, hit enter. And now I will click on formula. Here you can see name manager. Simply click on name manager, click on name. What is the name? Let's say active food item. In the refer to area, simply type 2 F2 and also type hash as well, since this is dynamic array. Now simply hit OK, close this window and go to input sheet. Select few cell you want to apply. Drop down, click on data validation. Click on list, click on source, hit F3 key. Select your name manager, hit OK, and this is how we create a time dependent drop down. Now for example, if I go to my food product again and milk is expired, let's say new milk is come and we simply update the expiry date. Let's say I will update this 10 April, hit enter, and now this item is active. If I go to my input sheet, I can see the milk again as a food item. So this technique is very useful if you are dealing with this kind of data which are expiring after certain date. I hope you like this video and learned something useful. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you so much.